In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document in Docusign. Whether you're new to electronic signatures or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making document management and signing a breeze. Let's start by heading over to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once there, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Click on it. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Otherwise, you might need to sign up for an account by following the straightforward prompts on the screen. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign home screen. This is your hub for all things Docusign. On the home page, look for the Start button. This button is your gateway to creating new documents, so give it a click. After you click Start, you'll be prompted with an option to upload a document. This is where you can choose the file you want to send out for signatures. Remember, you can upload various types of files such as PDFs, Word documents, and more. So click on Upload and select your document from your device. Next, you'll need to add recipients. This is where you'll specify who needs to sign the document. Click on Add Recipient and enter the email addresses of the people who will be signing or receiving the document. Docusign's intuitive interface allows you to easily assign roles and set the order of signing if there are multiple recipients. Make sure to double check the email addresses for accuracy to ensure the document reaches the right people. Now that you've added your recipients, it's time to personalize the communication. Click on the email subject line. Here, you can customize the message that accompanies your document. A clear, concise subject helps recipients quickly understand the document's purpose and urgency. You can also add a personalized message in the email body if you'd like to give additional context about the document. After setting up your email, click Next. This button will guide you to the document preparation phase where you can add fields for your recipients to fill out. These might include signature fields, date fields, or text fields depending on your document's needs. Docusign's tools make it simple to drag and drop these elements into place, and that's how you create a document in Docusign. With a few easy clicks, you've prepared your document for electronic signatures and made the signing process more efficient and eco-friendly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to streamline your document workflow using Docusign. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.